Do you find it a challenge to visit with your CFO about your ideas to improve the success of your operation? Or perhaps you are comfortable in spreadsheets and want to improve your ability to forecast the future. Hi, I'm Mike Gunnarsson, the Director of the Center for Food and Agricultural Business and the Faculty Champion for our Agribusiness Finance programs. For the first time ever, we've got an opportunity for you to choose from 2 Agribusiness Finance programs the week of June 17th in West Lafayette, Indiana. In the first part of the session, we're going to focus on the financial ratios and the lingo that your CFO uses with stakeholders. In the second part of the week, we're going to improve your ability to use spreadsheets to forecast the future and make improved decisions regarding asset allocation, investments in people, and investments in marketing, concepts like customer lifetime value, discounted cash flow, and the weighted average cost of capital. We're excited to welcome you, and if you have any questions or need additional information, please visit the website.